for your board exams. If alpha and beta are two zeros of a quadratic polynomial is 3x square plus 6x plus 13. We have to find the value of these five things. This is our polynomial. What is general form of our quadratic polynomial? This is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x and c is constant. What is sum of zeros? Sum of zeros is minus b upon a, and we have product of zeros as c upon a. Now, first thing, what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of alpha square plus beta square. First, find out a. What is a in this case? Coefficient of x square, that is 3. B is coefficient of x, 6, and c is 13. Now, what is sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta equals to minus b upon a, minus 6 by 3, that is minus 2. We have alpha plus beta as minus 2, and alpha into beta is c upon a, 13 by 3. This is alpha into beta. Now, part 1. We have to find alpha square plus beta square. Bache, what is alpha square plus beta square? How can we find it? Alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 times alpha beta. How is it possible? Bache, if we have to find a square plus b square, we can write it as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab and minus 2ab. What do we get? A square plus b square. In the same way, alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 times alpha beta. What is alpha plus beta? Minus 2 whole square minus 2 into alpha beta is 13 by 3. Minus 2 square is 4 minus 13 to the 26 by 3. Taking LCM, 12 minus 26 minus 14 by 3 is our answer. This is the answer for first part. Bache, pause the video and note it down. I am rubbing the part 1. Now bache, part 2 B. We have taken alpha square plus beta square as minus 14 by 3. This we have taken out. Now, B part is 1 upon alpha square plus 1 upon beta square. We have to find the value of 1 upon alpha square plus 1 upon beta square. Taking LCM, alpha square, beta square. We have alpha square in the numerator. In the denominator, what will we get? Beta square plus alpha square. This is, what is beta square plus alpha square? Minus 14 by 3 upon alpha square beta square. This can be written as alpha beta whole square, which is equals to minus 14 by 3 upon alpha beta is 13 by 3 whole square, which is minus 14 by 3 divided by 169 by 9. We have a fraction in denominator. What will we do? Minus 14 by 3 into reciprocal of denominator, 9 by 169. 3 3 is a minus 42 by 169 is the answer of second part. That is 1 upon alpha square plus 1 upon beta square. Pause the video and note it down. Next we have part C. Part C is alpha upon beta plus beta upon alpha. Taking LCM, alpha beta. We have beta in the denominator. Alpha into alpha, alpha square. Alpha in the denominator, beta into beta, beta square. This is alpha square plus beta square, which was 14 by 3 divided by alpha beta, which is 13 by 3. Again fraction in denominator, minus 14 by 3 into 3 by 13. 3 and 3 get cancelled. Minus 14 by 13 is our answer. Answer of third part is minus 14 by 3. Pause the video and note it down. Now part 4. We have alpha की power minus 1 plus beta की power minus 1. Alpha की power minus 1 can be written as 1 by alpha. 1 by alpha की power 1. Alpha की power 1 or alpha. 1 and the same thing. Plus 1 upon beta. Taking LCM, alpha beta. We have beta plus alpha in the numerator. And what is alpha plus beta? Minus 2 upon what is alpha beta? 13 by 3. We have minus 2 into 3 by 13. That is minus 6 by 13 is the answer of our fourth part. Clear? Pause the video and note it down. Let's do part 3. This is alpha cube plus beta cube. Bachche, you have learned this formula in class 9. Very important formula for your class 10 also. What is x cube plus y cube? What is the formula for x cube plus y cube? X cube plus y cube is x plus y, x square plus y square minus xy. Here we have alpha cube plus beta cube. This will be equals to alpha plus beta into alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta. What is the value of alpha plus beta? Minus 2. What is alpha square plus beta square? Minus 14 by 3. Minus alpha beta is 13 by 3. We have minus 2 into minus 14 by 3 and minus 13 by 3. 3 is the LCM. Minus 14 and minus 13. Minus 27 by 3. 3 nines are minus and minus get plus. 9 twos are 18 is the answer of part 5. Very important question for your exams. Find the value of k. If alpha and beta are two zeros of polynomial, polynomial is given x square minus 5x plus k. And we have given alpha minus beta equals to minus 1. We have to find the value of k. In this case, what is general form? General form is ax square plus bx plus c. This is the general form for quadratic polynomial. In this case, a is 1, coefficient of x square. What is b? Coefficient of x minus 5. And what is c? K. Now, we know sum of zeros. Sum of zeros is minus b upon a. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a. What is minus b? Minus of minus 5 by a is 1. Alpha plus beta is 5. We have given alpha minus beta is minus 1. What do? We will add equation. Let this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We will add equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 is alpha minus beta equals to minus 1 and alpha plus beta is 5. Alpha plus alpha, 2 alpha. Beta and beta get cancelled is 4. What is the value of alpha? Alpha is 2. Now, what about beta? Alpha plus beta equals to 5. We have put the value of alpha in equation 2. 2 plus beta equals to 5. And beta is 5 minus 2, 3. Now, we have to find the value of k. What is k? C. What is product of zeros? Product of zeros is c upon a. Product of zeros is alpha into beta equals to what is c? C is k upon 1. The value of alpha is 2 into 3 equals to k. Therefore, the value of k is 6. This is our answer. If alpha and beta are two zeros of polynomial x square plus 8x plus k such that alpha square plus beta square equals to 10. We have to find k. Now बच्चे, in this polynomial, what is a? Coefficient of x square 1. What is b? Coefficient of x, that is 8. And what is c? K. Now बच्चे, it is given that alpha square plus beta square is equals to 10. Alpha square plus beta square can be written as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 times alpha beta, and this is equals to 10. What is sum of zeros? Sum of zeros is alpha plus beta, which is minus b upon a, and in this case it is minus 8 upon 1, that is minus 8. And what is product of zeros? We have product of zeros as c upon a. What is c in this case? K upon 1, that is k. Now बच्चे, alpha plus beta whole square, that is minus 8 whole square, minus 2 times alpha into beta is k, is equals to 10. 10 on the left hand side and 2k on the right hand side. Minus 8 square is 64, minus 10 equals to 2k. 54 equals to 2k. And what is the value of k? K is 54 by 2, that is 27 is the value of k. If alpha and beta are two zeros of a quadratic polynomial, we have polynomial x square minus 3x plus 7. We have to find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 1 upon alpha and 1 upon beta. Now बच्चे, if we have two zeros as alpha and beta, if we have two zeros alpha and beta, then the quadratic polynomial will be x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. This is the formula for forming quadratic polynomial. In this case, zeros are 1 upon alpha and 1 upon beta. In this case, our quadratic polynomial will be x square minus 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta, sum of zeros into x plus 1 upon alpha into 1 upon beta, that is product of zeros. So our polynomial will be x square minus LCM as alpha and beta. We have beta plus alpha into x plus 1 upon alpha beta. Now बच्चे, this polynomial is given. In this case, what is a? Coefficient of x square 1. What is b? Coefficient of x minus 3. And what is c? 7, constant. If alpha and beta are zeros, means sum of zeros alpha plus beta is minus b upon a, and which is equals to minus of minus 3 by 1, that is 3. And what is product of zeros alpha beta? C upon a, that is 7 upon 1, 7. Now putting our values in next polynomial, x square minus alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? 3 by 7 x plus 1 upon alpha beta. Alpha beta we have 7. This is 1 upon 7. We can write this polynomial as taking 7 as LCM. 7x square minus 3x plus 1. This is our quadratic polynomial. If 4 is the zero of polynomial x square minus 5x plus k, find the value of k and then find the another zero. We have a polynomial x square minus 5x plus k. बच्चे, अब quadratic polynomial can have at most two zeros. One zero is given, which is 4. What does this mean? This means if we put the value of x, this is px, polynomial with variable x. If we put the value of x as 4, the whole polynomial will become 0. We will put x as 4. This is 4 square minus 5 into 4 plus k. This will be equals to 0. 4 square is 16 minus 20 plus k equals to 0. Minus 4 plus k equals to 0 and k is equals to 4. The value of k is 4. Now another part is find another 0. One 0 is given 4. We have to find one more 0. Now our polynomial was x square minus 5x plus k. What is the value of k? This is 4. Coefficient of x square is 1. Constant is 4. 1 into 4, 4. X square minus 5x can be written as 4x plus x plus 4. Factorize x square minus 4x minus x plus 4. Taking 2. X is common. X minus 4. Out of these two, what is common? Minus 1 is common. We have x minus 4. X minus 4 and x minus 1, two factors. Now, if x minus 4 equals to 0, what is the value of x? 4. This is 1, 0 which is given. Another one is x minus 1 equals to 0 and x equals to 1. Therefore, x equals to 1 and x equals to 4 are zeros of this polynomial. If alpha and beta are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial is given x square minus k plus 7 into x plus 3 into 2k minus 1. This polynomial is given. We have to find the value of k when alpha plus beta is equals to 1 upon 3 alpha beta. But in this case, what is A? A is coefficient of x square, that is 1. What is B? Coefficient of x. This is minus of k plus 7. And what is C? Constant 3 into 2k minus 1. Now bache, what is sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. In this case it is minus of minus k plus 7. That is upon 1. K plus 7 is sum of zeros. And what is alpha beta? C upon a. C upon a is 3 times 2k minus 1 upon 1. Now what is given? Alpha plus beta equals to 1 upon 3 times alpha beta. K plus 7 equals to 1 upon 3 into. We have 3 times 2k minus 1. 3 and 3 get cancelled. K plus 7 equals to 2k minus 1. 1 on the left hand side and k on the right hand side. 7 plus 1, 8 is equals to k. This is the value of k. If alpha and beta are the zeros of a quadratic polynomial, which is 3x square minus 5x plus 1, we have to form a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are alpha square and beta square. If our zeros are alpha square and beta square, what will be the quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial will be x square minus sum of zeros, that is alpha square plus beta square into x plus product of zeros, that is alpha square into beta square. This will be our polynomial. Now in this case, what is a? Coefficient of x square 3. What is b? Minus 5 and c is 1. What is sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta minus b upon a, that is minus of minus 5 by 3. 5 by 3. What is product of zeros? Alpha beta. Alpha beta is c upon a, that is 1 by 3. Now we need the value of alpha square plus beta square. We have done in a question earlier. What is alpha square plus beta square? Alpha square plus beta square is equals to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 times alpha beta. This is equals to alpha plus beta is 5 by 3 whole square minus 2 into 1 by 3. This we have 25 by 9 minus 2 by 3. Taking LCM as 9, 25 minus 6. That is 19 by 9. So our polynomial will be x square minus 19 by 9 x plus alpha square beta square means alpha beta whole square, which is equals to 1 by 3 whole square. We have x square minus 19 by 9x plus 1 by 9. We can write it as 9x square minus 19x plus 1. This is our quadratic polynomial with zeros, alpha square and beta square. If alpha and beta are zeros of a quadratic polynomial, which is x square minus 7x plus 12, we have to find the value of 3 upon alpha plus 3 upon beta minus alpha beta. Taking LCM, alpha beta. Alpha we have, this will be 3 beta plus 3 alpha minus alpha beta into alpha beta, alpha square, beta square. This will be equals to 3 times beta plus alpha minus alpha beta whole square upon alpha beta. Now, back to our polynomial. What is A in this case? 1. What is B? Minus 7 and C we have 12. What is sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta minus B upon A, that is minus of minus 7 by 1, which is 7. What is product of zeros? Alpha into beta, C upon A, 12 by 1, 12. Putting these value here, we have 3 times beta plus alpha or alpha plus beta, one and the same thing, 7, minus alpha beta whole square, 12 square, upon alpha beta, which is 12. We have 21 minus 144 by 12. 144 minus 21 is 123 by 12. Minus of 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3. So our answer is minus 41 by 4.